Now here's a tip for you, and it's a good one, by the way. Compliments of my uncle. He brought up a good point, and I think my dad might have mentioned it too. Man, these guys are checking me out like a hawk. I can't get away with anything. Now, you know, I'm going to end up putting some eyeball can lights in here. I'm going to take these light fixtures out of here, and I've got to run some Romex cabling up there and do some other stuff up there. Okay, so I could use this hole as my pass-through. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple pieces of sheetrock backing up there, and then I'm going to cut a piece of plastic, and I'm going to tape it up there and seal it so we don't get anything down in here until I get back for the next couple days. If we have to leave it up there for that long, we can. Then we can just take the plastic down, do a pass-through, put a flashlight up there, put a dustpan up there, tools up there, the cabling, you know, anything like that. You get one guy up there because there's not much room up there for air when you're crawling around. Then you don't have to crawl around and bring all your tools from the crawl hole all the way over to your patch area. Okay, so there's a tip for you. Even if, let's say, for instance, you don't need a hole this big, but let's say you're doing some work on the other end of your house or something, you might, I mean, if it's in a closet or something, maybe you cut an inspection hole and you can put a plate up there later the same size as an inspection cover or something, and then you can use that as a pass-through if your crawl hole is on the other side of the house or something, for instance. Because let me tell you, I've left several tools and surprises for people in their attics years gone by. You know, you always, oh, where's my drill bit? Where's my ladder, my level, or my tape measure, or my flashlight, anything like that, and you're done with the project, and then you think, oh shoot, it's in that house and it's way on the other side of town, we're done with the job, whatever. Okay? That's a very good tip to keep in mind.